This is the manual video for the Dispenser ID-030AN model ice machine. The machine must be installed in a location that meets the proper operating conditions. The ambient temperature should be between 10 to 38 degrees Celsius. Water pressure should range from 0.1 to 0.5 megapascal, and the water temperature should be 10 to 32 degrees Celsius. The ice maker's performance is strongly influenced by both air and water temperature. Its maximum production capacity is measured under ideal conditions, with air and water at 10 degrees Celsius. Under high temperature conditions, such as during summer, the performance of the machine may vary more noticeably. In environments such as exhaust-heavy spaces or coastal areas, corrosion may develop more quickly. Corrosion or damage caused by these environmental factors is not covered by the manufacturer's warranty. Allow a minimum clearance of 20 centimeters on both sides and at the rear from the wall to ensure proper ventilation for optimal machine operation. Also allow a minimum clearance of 50 centimeters above the machine for auger cleaning and routine maintenance. Before use, check the rated voltage indicated on the unit and make sure it is connected to an outlet that matches the model's voltage and frequency specifications. If the power cord is damaged or the outlet is loose, replace it immediately, as these issues can cause overheating or even fire hazards. Whenever possible, it is recommended to use a dedicated outlet for safe operation. Because leaks may occur during installation or operation, the machine must be installed in a location with waterproof flooring and a properly designed drainage system. A floor drain must be provided at the installation site, and the drain hose must be securely connected. Ensure the drain hose maintains a continuous downward slope to allow smooth drainage. The ice machine must be installed on a level surface. If the machine is not level, noise, vibration, or mechanical malfunction may occur. Improper leveling may also cause water to spill during the spray cycle, resulting in incomplete or abnormal ice formation. Included parts may vary depending on product specifications. It is recommended to replace the water filter every 6 to 12 months. If the machine is used heavily or the tap water quality is poor, replace the filter every 6 months. If usage is low and the water quality is good, replacement can be extended up to 1 year, but always confirm the filter's rated capacity. Replace the filter immediately if you notice changes in taste, white residue, or an unusual odor. When selecting a filter, choose one that includes a scale inhibiting function to help prevent mineral buildup. After installing a new filter, allow some water to flow through for 5 minutes to remove any carbon powder or impurities. Scale buildup can significantly affect ice production, especially when using groundwater. If the ice maker will not be used for an extended period, remove the filter to prevent bacterial growth inside. If a separate drain pump is installed for smoother drainage, note that ICETRO is not responsible for issues caused by a defective pump or its performance. For any pump-related problems, contact the pump manufacturer directly. When selecting a pump, make sure it matches the machine's capacity, and note that drain pump installation is not recommended for water-cooled types. A faulty or leaking drain pump can cause flooding or secondary damage, and ICETRO is not responsible for any damage resulting from such conditions. Use the filter strainer and the flow control valve included with the machine to connect the incoming water supply. Both the ice-making water inlet and the water supply inlet must be connected for proper machine operation. After making the water connections, insert the locking clip to secure the hose and prevent it from disconnecting. Connect the drain hose to the drain fitting located at the rear of the machine. When the front panel switch is set to ice, the ice-making cycle will start. After the ice-making cycle begins, ice production will start in approximately 10 minutes. The finished ice slides down the slope and collects in the storage bin. Ice will be available for use in approximately 30 minutes. When the amount of ice in the bin reaches a certain level, a sensor automatically stops production. As ice is removed and then the level drops, the sensor detects the change and restarts production automatically, supplying fresh ice again. When the ice button is touched, the indicator lamp will flash, and ice will be dispensed for the preset time. When the water button is touched, the indicator lamp will flash and ice will be dispensed for the preset time. When the ice-water button is touched, the indicator lamp will flash and both ice and water will be dispensed. When the continuous dispense button is touched, the indicator lamp will flash and ice will be dispensed continuously for up to 1 minute. Press and hold the ice button and the continuous dispense button for 5 seconds. The indicator lamp will flash and the machine will drain the water from the internal system. The drain cycle will run for approximately 90 seconds and then stop automatically. The indicator will illuminate when the storage bin is full. The indicator will illuminate when a water supply error occurs. The indicator will illuminate when an error occurs. Move the front switch to the off position. Loosen the bolts on the rear of the machine and remove the top cover. Loosen the bolts inside the machine and remove the transparent spout top AS assembly. Move the front switch to the wash position to drain all remaining water from the water trough, then move the switch to off position. Prepare the cleaning solution by diluting it with water. Pour approximately 1 liter of the diluted solution into the auger head inlet and allow it to sit for 10 minutes. Move the switch to the wash position, then add approximately 3 liters of diluted solution. Wait approximately 2 minutes for the automatic drain to complete. When the drain cycle is finished, move the switch to the off position. Add approximately 1 liter of diluted solution into the auger head inlet again, then allow it to sit for 10 minutes. Move the switch to the wash position. Then add approximately 3 liters of fresh water to flush out any remaining diluted solution. When the automatic drain of the water trough is complete, move the switch to the off position. When the ambient temperature falls below 0 degrees Celsius, water inside the machine can freeze, and the ice machine may not operate properly. Freezing of residual water inside the machine can cause serious damage. Follow the steps below to prevent freezing. With the ice making turned off, allow all ice to melt completely. With the power connected, press and hold the ice and continuous dispense button on the front display simultaneously for 5 seconds to completely drain the water from the machine. These are the corrective actions for each error mode. If the machine does not operate, check that the power cord is properly connected. Check that the circuit breaker is switched on. Check that the power switch is set to the ice position. Check that the ice bin is full. If the ice maker is not producing ice, confirm that the water supply is flowing properly. Keep in mind that high ambient temperatures or nearby heat sources can also affect ice production. If abnormal noise occurs, confirm that the installation surface is stable and level. Make sure the ice maker is not touching any walls. A few drops of water dripping from the outlet is normal and is caused by melted ice around the dispensing area. Slight vibration during operation is also normal. If the issue persists after checking all of these points, please contact your service agency for further assistance.